this viral video is getting police in a huge mess.
All right, what's your name, sir?
Johnny.
All right, Johnny, where you come from?
Just walking around.
Just walking around?
Yeah.
All right, enjoying this weather?
Yeah.
Found it a little bit suspicious, you know? So,
What?
just the walking around.
Walking around is a little bit suspicious. I don't know, but you can't run. I don't have. This is a state where I don't have to show my ID.
Turn around.
You're gonna do this in front of my son?
Yeah, turn around. Turn
This
around.
is my son. Let me bring my son home first.
No.
I want this on video. What are you doing to my son? It's okay.
So a dad's walking with his son really early in the morning around 6 a.m. through an industrial park. One cop stops to investigate what's going on. Then another cop arrives and demands that the man identify himself. The man refuses, and then little chicken leg macho cop throws him to the ground, which makes the son freak out and cry. It's important to note that little chicken leg macho cop has a history of complaints against him, even from his own colleagues.
So what does the law say about all of this? Well, the police can stop and detain someone if they have reasonable suspicion that they've committed a crime. What does reasonable suspicion mean exactly?
Nobody knows.
The Supreme Court has just said that it must be more than an unarticulated hunch.
Once reasonable suspicion has been established, it depends on the state whether you have to identify yourself or not. In Oklahoma, where this happened, you do have to identify
So
yourself.
outside of the whole excessive force issue, if we're wondering if the stop itself was even legal, it all depends on whether the police had reasonable suspicion that the father had committed a crime. Most would say no.
But some commenters do believe that what the father was doing was kind of sketchy, and that police did have reasonable suspicion that some kind of kidnapping had occurred.
But again, the vast majority of commenters think that the cop was in the wrong. And ultimately, whether reasonable suspicion existed or not is a question for a jury.